Hello designers, how are you? I hope you are in good health. This is the dress that I brought for you in this video, and it is so simple to make that you can make it within an hour's time. It takes very simple small steps and you can make it at home without much efforts. To make a 54-inch long party frock, you will need about 3.5 meter fabric. Fold this fabric. Selvage side would be the front opening of your front part of the dress, right? Front bodies. Then you press it, iron. From selvage side, keep 1.5 inch for front opening. Then either you mark a plain bodies or you can check the link, in the description box I have shared the link, and make a draft, keep that and cut the front. Keeping these front bodies, you can cut the back part also, or you can use the draft of back bodies and then cut it. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section below. This is a plain simple bodies, but I have also shared one pleated or darted fitted bodies cutting, so you can even make that kind of a bodies as well. Sleeve you can cut long till your full sleeve, or 3/4, half, mega sleeve, or you can even make this dress without the sleeves. I am cutting 3/4 of length of sleeve. This is the skirt. You can keep the skirt till the ankle, knee length, or even above knee length. This is the long. It will be as long as you want it. If the pattern is running in one direction, then you need to separate both the fabrics and place it in such a way that your design is running in one direction only, the front as well as the back. This is the common mistake that beginners make because they lose sight of the pattern direction. Fold the fabric, selvages on the sides. When you keep the bodies, the waistline, check the skirt waist. This is double or at least 1.5 is extra than the waist of the bodies. Let's start stitching. This is that 1.5 inch extra from selvage side of our front bodies. Fold it and stitch this way. Now invert it. Other part will also go like this. Turn this one also. So this is the front. Now we need one long piece of fabric to put in middle of it. So this is the piece of fabric. This is about 5-inch wide and as long as your top. Simply fold it from the side. It is cut from the selvage side. So fold it, fold from top, stitch from the sides. Leave about 3 inch from the top and then keep this long piece inside in the middle and make a stitch. You can keep this piece inside, completely inside, so the design would look like this, or you can leave it a little extra from the neck side. Okay, now this is the back part and join the shoulders. It is simple, I know you know that. So just join the shoulders. See, my Usha Stitch Magic, that is, or any other zigzag machine, that is good for overlocking or zigzag stitch or designing, but I prefer this machine while I show designs to you, because it gives me a surface, that white flat surface, to show the designs easily to you. So here, this is the neckline. This is one kind of a neck design if you don't want to add the collar. Now we prepare the sleeves. To prepare the sleeves, simply fold the bottom of the sleeves and make a simple basic straight stitch. If you want to add some trimming or lace, you can do that. Now the sleeve is ready. Place the sleeve, the curvier side, in the front side of the top. Keep it and join the sleeve with the armhole. Okay, one more tip. This is very useful. Many of you find it, in fact many people find it difficult to measure their armholes right, and their armhole or the sleeve doesn't fit well. So what will you do? To overcome this problem, I have prepared a very detailed, ready to use chart for armhole and sleeve measurement on stitchingmall.com website. I will share the link below. You can check that whenever you make any dress, for even for a newborn baby or for an adult or anybody, a boy or a girl. You can check that chart and your armhole and sleeve will never ever have any problem. It will fit really nice. So here our sleeve is fitted. Same way we will prepare another sleeve. Fold the bottom of the sleeve and then join the sleeve with the armhole. Like ready-made dresses, you can make even 2 stitches on each side of the dress. Once sleeve is done, join it. This is the front skirt. This is inverted box pleat or inverted pleat. This is the front side of the dress. Top is prepared. So keep the skirt and adjust the width of the skirt with the waistline or the body's waist. Now this is the collar. See, the detailed collar video you can watch in the link that I've given below. But here I give a clue. This is the basic collar, that Mandarin or Chinese collar. I've shared a very detailed video earlier many times. So you have the option. Either you can add the collar or prepare this dress. If you don't want to add the collar, then you use the bias tape to finish the neckline. Using the usual way of joining collar, starting from the middle of the neckline, join the collar. I'm keeping about 1.5 inch, at least 1 inch from the front, and then joining the collar. This collar is not fitted till the end. After the collar, you have the option that in the front we had one piece of fabric, so join it from one side. Now you can add one hook or button on this piece. Now the last finishing. This is the skirt and the bodies, that is our top. So the back part of the skirt is the pleated, knife pleated skirt. The detailed video of knife pleat skirt is in the link. But the front inverted skirt, that I've shown you how to do that. Once you join the skirt with the bodies, then starting from side of the sleeves, make a side stitch both sides, and this way your dress would be finished. If you feel that the dress is not even from the bottom, then cut it even. You can measure the dress and accordingly you can cut it as per the length you want. You can add some lace or fold it and then make a stitch. So this is how you will make this beautiful dress. This is a designer dress you can wear in a party, made for summers as well. And do let me know how did you like the video, and please subscribe, like and share. Take care. Goodbye.